While pairing or repairing after reset, if your Galaxy Buds FE is not showing up on the Bluetooth devices list on your Android phone and it's just stuck on searching for devices, not recognizing the buds, then in this video we're going to show you how to fix this problem. So first, before anything else, when it does not show up, just go ahead, turn off Bluetooth, and at the same time, just close the lid of the charging case. Just refresh the connection. After 10 seconds, turn on Bluetooth, open the charging case lid, and then see if the name pops up now. And if scanning option is available on your device, just scan for your Galaxy Buds FE. If it doesn't show up, just force quit the section and re-enter. Now sometimes when the buds are idle on pairing mode for a long time, this might happen. Simply pull them up one after another and then release them into the charging case. And make sure when you do, the LED is turned on. If the LED is not turning on or showing red, this might be a charging issue. That's the reason. So what you can do is just plug it in, keep it on charge for 5 to 10 minutes. If it's still not showing up and I don't know, maybe it was paired with another device around you, at this point what you can do is just manually take them into pairing mode. Make sure the buds are inside the case, press and hold over the surface of both the buds for like roughly 5 to 6 seconds. You'll see flashing green and red LED. And if everything is okay, the name should pop up. In most cases, your problem should be solved by now. But if it didn't show up in your case, there will be some minor glitch that's causing this whole issue. So just go ahead and give your Android a simple restart. After the restart, you'll no longer have this issue. Thanks for watching.